sum of volume of cylinder S and volume of cone C is 4380 pi centimeter cube, and height of both cylinder and cone is same, that is 20 centimeter. If radius of cone is 15 centimeter, and then find the ratio of radius of S to radius of C. Okay, so we are given that the sum of volume, so volume of cylinder S plus volume of cone C is given to us as the sum is 4380 pi. All right, now what is the formula to calculate volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h, pi r square h. And volume of formula to calculate volume of cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now let the radius and height of this cylinder be r1 and h1. Okay, and let the radius and height of this cone be r2 and h2. So the formula will become pi r1 square h1 and pi 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2, and the sum of this is 4380 pi. Okay, moving forward, and height of both cylinder and cone is same, that is 20 centimeter. So height of cylinder h1 is same as that of height of cone, which is h2, and this is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, if the radius of cone is 15 centimeters, so radius of cone r2 is given to us as 15 centimeter. We have to find out the ratio of radius of S to radius of cone. So that means radius of S, radius of cylinder is r1 is to r2 is what we have to find out. So this is the ratio that we have to find out. So let's substitute these values over here. So we get pi r1 we don't know, so we'll write r1 square, h1 is 20 plus 1 by 3 pi r2 is given to us as 15, so 15 square I'll write as 15 into 15, and h2 is again 20 is equals to 4380 pi. Now what we'll do is take pi and this 20 common, so we get 20 pi outside, and in the bracket we are left with r1 square plus here 3 5s are 15 and 15 5s are 75, so r1 square plus 75 is remaining is equals to 4380 pi. Here pi gone, 0 0 gone. Let's divide this by 2, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 9s are 18. So we get r1 square is equals to 219 minus this 75. So r1 square here will be 219 minus 75 will give me 144, and getting rid of the square will add square root. So finally we get r1 as 12. All right, and we need the ratio r1 is to r2. We know r1 is 12, r2 is 15, so r1 is to r2 here will be 12 is to 15. This can be further simplified with 3, so 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So the final ratio that we get is 4 is to 5, and this is our required answer. So here option D is the correct one.